Hello everybody, I'm Mike.
And I'm Stephanie.
And we're Van Life Sheldon's Travels. Sheldon, he's our little yellow-bellied slider turtle. He's hanging out in the van. But today, we're right here in Pismo Beach, California at a huge travel trailer, vintage car show type of thing. We've already made an awesome video about this event, but today we're actually going to showcase one of these amazing travel trailers, and we're going to start into that right now and let you see one of these amazing travel trailers in a little bit more detail than the bigger event. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoy this trailer. See you in the next one, guys.
So what we have here today is a 1963 Kenskill time capsule.
Looking good.
It is looking good. Spent most of her life in storage.
All the original porcelain. Wow. It even has a sleeping loft up top. Folds down onto this little groove here. And don't forget to click on that subscribe button or the Patreon button or one of our hundreds of videos in our playlist below.
To get your Van Life Sheldon's travel stickers, go to our PayPal. The link is in the description below. One can be yours for $5 or 2 for $8 going to the same address. And please remember to include your address with your payment. As always, thanks for traveling with us.